Colonial Village Apartments offers outstanding customer service paired with beautiful homes set amongst 10 acres of park in the historic Manassas District. Enjoy the private setting with peaceful areas for sitting and reflecting amongst lush landscaping. This is quality living at its finest. With expansive 1-bedroom to 3-bedroom homes, whatever your needs, Colonial Village has you covered. On entering a spacious 3-bedroom home, you notice the natural light and modern feel. The open-plan dining and living area is well presented and inviting. Love to cook? You'll enjoy this gourmet kitchen complete with Energy Star appliances. The master bedroom is spacious and comes complete with closet space and plush carpeting. 2 guest bedrooms, both of a generous size, await you here, perfect for any living situation. The bathroom is perfectly placed with a modern feel. Enjoy the soaking tub after an action-packed day in the city. A half bathroom is tucked around the corner. Amenities at Colonial Village are enviable. Enjoy the outdoors with picnic and grill areas, a tot lot for smaller ones to let off steam and play, ample and convenient parking for residents and guests. Laundry day is easy with modern on-site clothes care centers. Have peace of mind knowing that a 24-hour maintenance crew and courteous staff team are always on hand. Meet the neighbors at the community room where staff often arrange social events. Location-wise, you couldn't be more perfectly placed. The VRE is 3 blocks away, whilst shopping centers and grocery stores are within a mile. Route 66, 28, 234, and Prince William Parkway are easily accessible. The community is adjacent to high-rated schools, and Old Town Manassas is just moments from your door. Relax in the feeling of being home at Colonial Village. Stop by for a tour of these perfect homes in a poetic, park-like setting. This is modern living. This is Colonial Village.